Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says mark the incorrect statement. Options are slaked lime is used in the manufacture of cement or plaster of Paris, in the manufacture of bleaching powder, in the preparation of ammonia from ammonium salt, or in the detection of carbon dioxide. So इन चारों में से we have to figure out which one is not the application of slaked lime. The key concept is application of slaked lime. Slaked lime क्या है? It is calcium hydroxide. Okay. अब हम one by one options को discuss कर लेते हैं to find out the correct answer. First statement says it is used in the manufacture of cement or plaster of Paris. तो सीमेंट के मैन्युफैक्चर में मेन इंग्रेडिएंट्स कौन से यूज होते हैं? It is limestone, clay, gypsum. Okay, these are the main ingredients used in the manufacture of cement. Also, calcium oxide is used, लेकिन जब ये calcium oxide reacts with water during the process, it gets converted into calcium hydroxide, which is used as a binder in the manufacturing process. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और स्लेग लाइम सीमेंट के मैन्युफैक्चर में यूज होता है. नाउ द सेकेंड वन इन दिस ऑप्शन इज प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस. प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस का मैन्युफैक्चर देख लेते हैं, रिएक्शन देख लेते हैं. CaSO4.2H2O कैल्शियम सल्फेट डाइहाइड्रेट. इसको जब हम हीट करते हैं at a temperature of about 373 to 393 Kelvin, then CaSO4 dot half H2O is obtained. Okay, now this hemihydrate, that is the compound which has half molecule of water, is known as plaster of Paris. तो हमने देखा plaster of Paris is obtained by heating gypsum. It means plaster of Paris में slaked lime का यूज नहीं होता है. अब हम दूसरे ऑप्शंस देख लेते हैं. ऑप्शन बी says in the manufacture of bleaching powder. तो bleaching powder का फॉर्मेशन देख लेते हैं. Bleaching powder is prepared by reaction of slaked lime with chlorine. Slaked lime है. It is used in dry state. It results in the formation of CaOCl2 and water. Now this compound is commonly known as bleaching powder. It is calcium oxychloride. So slaked lime is used in the manufacture of bleaching powder. Third statement which says in the preparation of ammonia from ammonium salts. तो जब हम अमोनिया को लेबोरेटरी में प्रिपेयर करते हैं, it involves heating of ammonium chloride NH4Cl. It is heated in the presence of slaked lime to give ammonia plus calcium chloride plus H2O. तो स्लेट लाइम अमोनिया के प्रिपरेशन में यूज हो रहा है. दिस इज अमोनियम salt, that is ammonium chloride. The last statement which says in the detection of carbon dioxide, तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को डिटेक्ट करने का सबसे इफेक्टिव मेथड है is to bubble the gas through lime water. Carbon dioxide plus calcium hydroxide aqueous solution gives calcium carbonate plus water. This is white precipitate which appears to be milky in appearance. Formation of milky precipitate indicates that carbon dioxide was present. तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के डिटेक्शन में भी हम स्लेट लाइम को यूज करते हैं. So the correct option is slaked lime is not used in the plaster of Paris. So the incorrect statement is statement number A. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.